Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, Nubbin Device review. So, you might be wondering, what is Nubbin? So, the Nubbin Device is a fictional brain-computer interface from the Netflix series Black Mirror. Now, it is not a real consumer product, even though it became a viral topic on TikTok, YouTube, and other social media platforms after Netflix launched an elaborate marketing campaign that made it appear to be genuine technology. Now, in the Black Mirror universe here, the device is manufactured by the fictional company TCKR Systems and is designed to connect directly to the user's brain, allowing them to fully immersive virtual experience. Now, within the show's universe here, the nubbin that attaches to the side of the person's head and creates a direct neural connection. Depending on the episode, it can transport users into virtual worlds, allow them to relive memories, experience dreams, play immersive games, or interact with entirely digital environments that feel indistinguishable from reality. Now, the same technology, sometimes referred to as the experiencer disc, has appeared in multiple Black Mirror episodes, including San Junipero, USS Callister, and a lot more. Now, becoming one of the franchise's recurring fictional technologies. Now, the reason so many people believed the nubbin was real because Netflix built an unusually convincing promotional campaign. Before the release of Black Mirror Season 7, the creators launched a professional-looking TCKR Systems website, promotional videos, fake corporate profiles, and realistic marketing materials that presented the device as if it were an upcoming breakthrough in neurotechnology. Now, because real companies are already researching brain-computer interfaces, many viewers assume nubbin was another genuine innovation here. So yeah, despite the realistic presentation, the Nubbin cannot be purchased and is not an actual virtual reality device. There are currently no consumer products capable of letting people relive memories, enter dreams, or experience full neural virtual reality in a way depicted in Black Mirror. So while companies are developing brain-computer interface technology, today's systems are far more limited and are primarily focused on medical research and assistive application rather than immersive entertainment. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.